This is VIVO T1 Pro, and today I will show how you can set up the VPN connection on this device. To start, you will need to download and install the free TurboVPN app from the Play Store. That is the convenient and, well, as I've already mentioned, a free tool allowing you to easily connect your device to VPN. It also provides you with a pretty decent choice of servers, countries, and even the cities you can connect yourself to. So launch the app once it is ready, then tap at the green continue button, choose to enable or disable app notifications from TurboVPN, then skip this ad, and in order to connect your device to VPN, tap at this carrot icon over there, confirm the connection request, or accept it rather, and within a few seconds your phone should be connected to VPN, as it is in my case, which you can tell by this little key icon at the right half of your status bar. Then, while at it, you can modify the server, country, or even the city that you are connected to currently. So I'll reconnect myself from Germany to some other place. Amsterdam, let's say. And in order to turn the VPN off, tap at the cross icon over there, then disconnect, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.